All right, disassembly and reassembly of a Springfield hellcat, 9mm. First thing I'm going to do is take the magazine out. Then what you want to do is see it, check for it's loaded or not. A couple times, it's empty. Okay. Then right here is a notch. So you have to put it back like this and put your slide catch right there on. Then you push this button up so it's like this. Okay. Then you put your thumb on this release. Slowly put the barrel forward like this. Pull the trigger. Slide comes off. Now with one hand, this is under pressure. Thumb here. Carefully get this out. Then it's ready to be cleaned and lubed. Reassembly, barrel in. There's no beveled end on this. The gun is dirty from shooting it. It's back together. Slide on. Slid on easily. Again, push this back. Put your slide release on. Turn this switch down. Close the slide. Function check. Thank you.